Let us consider this problem. F of x is equal to e power minus x when x is greater than 0, and you should show that the limiting distribution of xn minus log n, the nth order statistic minus log n, is this. Okay, so let us first find the CDF of f of x. Why? You need it because probability of xn less than or equal to x, which is the CDF of xn, is actually f of x the whole power n, right? We have derived it already. So I need capital F of x, that is the cumulative density function. Your capital F of x is probability of x less than or equal to x. So the least value of x is 0. So you should integrate from 0 to x, f of x dx, right? X less than or equal to x means the least value of x to small x. Okay, so 0 to x e power minus x dx. So e over minus x by minus 1. So you get minus 1 into e power minus x. You're substituting x for x and e power minus 0. So e power minus x minus 1. So 1 minus e power minus x. Fine. Now what is the CDF of the nth order statisticaxian? It is f of x the whole power n. So your answer is 1 minus e power minus x the whole power n. But now the problem is to find the CDF of xn minus log n. Okay, so let us consider the CDF of xn minus log n. So probability of xn minus log n less than or equal to x. If it is for xn, I know the answer, right? But if it is for a function of xn, I should go for some deduction. Xn less than or equal to x plus log n. Fine. So instead of x here, you have this. This is equal to f of x plus log n the whole power n. Okay, instead of x you have x plus log n. Okay, you understand this? This is actually probability of xn less than or equal to x. The answer is f of x the whole power n. If it is xn less than or equal to something, then f of something the whole power n is the answer. So that is 1 minus, what is f of x? See, capital F of x is 1 minus e power minus x. So 1 minus e power minus x plus log n the whole power n. That is 1 minus e power minus x minus log n the whole power n. That is 1 minus e power minus x into e power minus log n the whole power n. If it is log n to the base e, let us assume that it is log to the base e, what happens? 1 minus e power minus x. Okay, this becomes e power minus log n to the base e. I am going to write it as e power log n power minus 1 to the base e. I am using power rule to take it to the power. Okay, so I have this. So you know that e power log x to the base e is x. Okay, so with that rule you have e power minus x into e power minus 1 into n power minus 1 the whole power n. Okay, see, e power log x to the base e is x. In the place of x you have n power minus 1. So e power 1 minus e power minus x into n power minus 1 the whole power n, which can be written as 1 minus e power minus x by n the whole power n. Okay, Now you are asked to find the limiting distribution. So limiting distribution means as n tends to infinity, what happens to this distribution? Limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus e power minus x by n, the whole power n. You know that limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus m by n the whole power n. N is there in the denominator and also in the power. You have e power m as the answer. So here you have e power, since it is a negative value, e power minus x. Okay, so you have proved it. The limiting distribution of this is this. Understood? See, first you are finding capital F of x because the CDF of xn is actually f of x the whole power n, right? So you have derived the CDF of x, making use of which you can find the CDF of xn. Now you are in need of CDF of xn minus log n, that is probability of xn minus log n less than or equal to x. Bring it in terms of xn because you have an answer for xn, so you are bringing it in terms of xn. So if it is for xn, it is f of x the whole power n. If it is for x plus log n, it should be f of x plus log n the whole power n. Okay, so what is f of x? 1 minus e power minus x. So 1 minus e power, in the place of x you have x plus log n. Okay, you're just bringing this minus sign, negative sign inside, minus x minus log n the whole power n. That is 1 minus e power minus x into e power minus log n the whole power n. You are assuming that you are taking log to the base e. Okay, so this minus, by power rule, it is coming to the power n power minus 1. It becomes n power minus 1. And in the next step, what I have done is, I understand that e power log x to the base e is simply x. Okay, so I take it as x. Right, what is x here? N power minus 1. And I took it in the denominator. Now, since I am asked to derive the limiting distribution, you take n as n tends to infinity. I have used this rule to get this answer. Okay, thank you.